The Herbal Historian, come and see.
Welcome back to the Herbal Historian. Today we explore a plant both humble and powerful, a herb once sacred to the gods, a spice cherished by cooks, and a medicine trusted by healers for over 2,000 years. This is Fennel, Foeniculum vulgare, a plant with a flavour as bold as its history, and a story that stretches from ancient battlefields to modern kitchens. In ancient Greece, Fennel was called Marathos, and it gave its name to the battlefield of Marathon, where Athens defeated Persia in 490 BC. The Romans carried fennel across Europe, believing it brought strength and courage. In India, fennel seeds were offered after meals to aid digestion, a tradition still alive today. Medieval monks grew it in cloisters, and during the Middle Ages, fennel hung in doorways to ward off evil spirits. Across cultures, fennel was more than food. It was protection, power, and purity. Fennel is a tall, elegant perennial herb, standing up to 6 feet high. Its feathery, thread-like leaves give it a delicate appearance, while its umbrella-shaped clusters of yellow flowers shine like drops of gold. Its seeds are ridged and aromatic, with a flavour reminiscent of anise or licorice. You'll often find it thriving in sunny fields, along roadsides, or in Mediterranean-style gardens. In the kitchen, fennel is a treasure. The bulb can be roasted, grilled, or sliced raw for its crisp sweetness. Its seeds season breads, curries, and sausages. In Italy, fennel pairs perfectly with fresh fish, while in India, fennel is chewed after meals as a natural mouth freshener. Every part of the plant, bulb, fronds, seeds, finds its way into food traditions across the world. For thousands of years, fennel has been more than a flavour. It has been a remedy. The Greeks believed fennel sharpened the mind and improved eyesight. Pliny the Elder wrote that snakes consumed fennel after shedding their skin to restore clarity to their vision. In Ayurvedic medicine, fennel is classified as a cooling herb, balancing digestion, reducing heat, and easing gas. In traditional Chinese medicine, fennel seeds, known as xiaohuixiang, were prescribed to warm the kidneys, treat hernias, and relieve abdominal pain. Across Europe, fennel tea became a household cure for coughs, indigestion, and colicky infants. Midwives recommended fennel to stimulate milk production, while ancient herbalists used it for easing menstrual cramps. And beyond the body, fennel had a spiritual reputation, believed to drive away evil spirits, cleanse the soul, and protect the home. From temples to kitchens, from monasteries to markets, fennel's healing power was woven into daily life across civilizations. Modern science confirms much of fennel's reputation. Studies show fennel contains anathola, a compound with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Clinical trials suggest fennel tea may reduce colic in infants, relieve menstrual cramps, and improve digestion. Yet, like many ancient herbs, research is ongoing, and fennel continues to bridge the worlds of tradition and science. Fennel seeds are harvested in late summer, once the flowers fade and the seed heads turn brown. Cut the stalks on a dry day, hang them upside down, and collect the seeds as they fall. For bulbs, harvest when they swell firm and round, usually in early autumn. To preserve fennel seeds, dry them in a warm, airy place away from direct sun. Store in dark glass jars to protect flavour. The fronds may be frozen, while the bulbs keep best when wrapped and refrigerated. These simple methods have changed little since ancient times. Though generally safe, fennel should be used with care. Its essential oil is potent. High doses may cause nausea or allergic reactions. People with hormone-sensitive conditions should avoid concentrated fennel products. As always, moderation is key. A simple fennel tea is easy to prepare. Lightly crush 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and sip slowly. This soothing tea calms digestion and carries the sweet anise-like fragrance of fennel's long history. From ancient battlefields to modern kitchens, fennel continues to inspire, heal, and nourish. Thank you for joining me on this journey through history and herb lore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time as we uncover the secrets of another remarkable plant.
From ancient roots to modern day. Nature's secrets light the way. Healing herbs, their stories unfold. Timeless wisdom, worth more than gold.